Hello, so in this video, I will discuss ray diagrams using a plane mirror, concave mirror, and a convex mirror. I will also describe the images formed and present one problem involving magnification. So first is the plane mirror. So we have a ray diagram of plane mirror here. So a plane mirror reflects light such that the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. Its rays appears to come from behind the mirror. So here we have our object. This is our object and this is our image. So its nature is virtual because the image forms behind the mirror, and its orientation is upright. As we can see here, the arrow is going upright, and its size is same as the object, so our arrow must be the same in size. Its location is behind the mirror as the object is in the front. So here is our object and here is our images. So next is we have a concave mirror. A concave mirror curves inward and can either converge or diverge light depending on the object's position. So in a concave mirror, the type of image depends on where the object is placed. The image can be real or virtual, inverted or upright, and may vary in sizes. So here first we have the we have here at infinity. We have infinity here. So in infinity, our image is in our focus. So muna siya tong focus, and here makita na to nga nagbagat diri ang lights, ang arrow nagbagat sila, no? So here we have here our object. So nadiri ang atong image. So the image is real since ang image kana forman siya kanang sa tawag gani wala sa loyo sa mirror. So atong image kina form siya diri, no, diri ari nga side, and wala siya diri sa loyo sa mirror, and it is highly diminished. That means gamay ang atong image. So mo siya atong at infinity nga kanang sinugdanan. So next is beyond the sea. So beyond the sea, nadir atong sea, nadir atong object. So mo ni siya atong object. So atong object is kanang ang atong object is ni-reflect siya padung diri and diri, and ang atong image is na form siya between the C and F. So mo ni siya nga ato ang image, mo ni siya sa letter B or kanisang A. Mo siya na form siya between the C and F, and ang iyang type of image is inverted. Well, inverted siya kay ang na form man ang image is below the siya kanang below ani nga line, na form siya diri below nga line and not diri sa kanang upright. And also diminished siya since ang atong na form nga kanang image is gamay man siya compared sa ato ang object. So next is our object is naa siya at C siya, mo ni siya atong object at C. So ang atong image is na form siya, ang atong image is naa sa C, and ang iyang type is real ang iyang type, inverted siya, and same size ra siya sa atong mo ni siya atong no ang ato ang sa tawagan ni ang atong object is at C na siya at C, no, while ang atong image is at C gyapon, and real siya and inverted kay what, just like what I've said kanina nga kana ang atong arrow mo ni siya ang atong image. So ang atong arrow is paubos man, so inverted siya, and ang ilang sizes is same ra. So next is our object is between C and F. Asa matong C? Tara atong C I mean, ang atong image is beyond C, and ang iyang type is real, inverted, and magnified. So, inverted siya, no? So, ang atong kanang, ang atong, ang atong kuan diri, atong object is C, between C and F. Mo ni siya tong C, mo ni siya atong F. Mo ni siya ato ani siyang object. Na form ang ato ang image is naa na siya diri sa B and A. So as we can see, ang atong arrow is bigger ang image compared sa ato ang object. So ang ato ang result is magnified. Inverted gapon siya, ang kay alangan ka ngayang arrow is paubos, dili siya pangabaw. So ang iyang type of image is real, just like what I said kanina. Mahimo siyang virtual if behind the mirror na form ang object, while ari sa ato ang concave mirror is kanang ang iyon na form ang object is before, dili man siya behind sa ato ang mirror. So napud sa dire ato ang our object is at F. So at F man siya, ang iyang image nga na form is beyond the C. So mo ni siya beyond the C siya, mo ni siya tong sino ang na form siya is and inverted siya and magnified. So next is our image is between F and P. So mo ni siya tong object between F and P. So mo ni siya diri. And ang iyang type of kaan kay behind siya sa ang image kay na form siya behind the mirror. So that means virtual siya, virtual. And ang iyasang result is magnified since ang atong kuan diri mas dako man siya sa mas dako man ang atong image compared sa atong object. So now let's proceed to convex mirror. So a convex mirror curves outward, kanang different siya sa ato ang concave kay pa inward man atong concave, while ang atong convex is pa outward siya and always diverge light. So kanang ang ato ang kuan kanang convex mirror is reflects rays diverge but appear to come from a focal point behind the mirror. So a convex mirror always forms a virtual, upright, and smaller image, which is why it is used in vehicle side mirrors. So here, nadiri atong objects and ang atong image. So atong image is kanang gamay iyang size compared sa atong object. So it is also kanang virtual kay na form siya behind the mirror. And upright siya since ang atong arrow is upright man ang iyang position. So now let's proceed to the sample problem for magnification. So here we have a problem. So the problem is an object is placed 10 cm in front of a concave mirror. The image is formed 20 cm from the mirror. Find the magnification and describe the image. So our kanang solution, we have the kanang ato ang formula ng V over negative V over negative U. So where ang atong V is that 20 cm or the image distance, ang atong U is 10 cm or the object distance. So ato siyang i-divide. So 20 divided by 20 is 2. But then naman siya negative nga sign, mo na siyang negative 2 siya. So atong magnification is negative 2. So the image is real, inverted, and enlarged. Pasabot anang negative is ang pasabot sa negative inverted siya, while ang atong object nga 2 is twice as large as the object. So mas nidako ang atong image compared sa atong object list ni times 2 ang size sa object adto sa image. So overall, a plane mirrors form virtual and upright images, while our concave mirrors can form different types of images depending on object position. While ang ato ang convex mirror always form virtual and diminished images. Diminished means gagmay siya, kanang smaller sila. And more to siya. Thank you.